The booklet, chapter 5. This point is the midpoint of this side, 25, 25. And this point is the midpoint of this side, 40 and 40. Then this line is called mid-segment. It's parallel to the third side and equal half it. Then 32 is half x, or x double 32. Then x equals 64. B is the midpoint of AC, and D is the midpoint of CE. AE is 21, then BD is half AE, means half 21 is 10.5, because BD is mid-segment. We have three midpoints. F, B, and D are the midpoints of the three sides of the triangle ACE. Then FB is a mid-segment, BD is a mid-segment, FD is a mid-segment. And this side is 23, this side is 30. AC, what's the length of AC? FD is a mid-segment, is 23, is parallel to the third side and equal half it. 23 half AC, or AC double 23. Then AC is 46. This information, this diagram, what is the height of the tree? Triangle. This is the height of the building, and the height of the tree is called mid-segment, midpoint, midpoint. Then this height or height of tree is half the third side, which is the height of the building, is half of 150. 75. Find the value of x. What is the mid-segment? This side equals half the length of the third side. Then 3x minus 4 half 16. This line half 16. Then this line equals half 16, which is 8. 3x minus 4 equals 8. It will be 3x equal 8 plus 4 equals 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3, then x equals 4. What's the name of the segment inside the large triangle? This one is called what? Perpendicular, bisector, altitude, medians, mid-segment. Of course, yes, mid-segment. Name the smallest angle of triangle. Inequality of triangle, smallest angle opposite to smallest side. And of course the opposite, largest angle opposite to largest angle, or greatest angle. Now, to get the smallest angle, you must determine the smallest side. What's the smallest side? 5, 6, and 7? Yes, 5. What is the opposite angle of this side? Yes, then the smallest angle must be angle B. Now, list in order from shortest to longest. Shortest side opposite to smallest angle. Which one is the smallest one? What's the smallest angle? 66, 64, and 50. Yes, 50. What's the opposite side? Yes. Then the smallest one, LJ. What's the next smaller? 64 or 66? Yes, 64. Then the opposite side is JK. Of course, the third side is LK. Then J, LJ, JK, and LK. From smallest to greatest. Which three lengths could be the length of the side of triangle? The inequality is the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third. The easier way, choose the smallest two sides and add together. If the sum is greater than the third, it's okay. Can be sides of triangle. Equal or smaller? No. Letter A. What is the smallest two sides? 12 and 5. Their sum is 17. Equals, not greater, no. Letter B. The smallest two sides, 10 and 15. Their sum is 25. Is greater than the third side? Yes. Then can be sides of triangle. Which of the three lengths cannot be length of side of triangle? Number 1. The smallest two sides is 17 and 14. Their sum is 31. Greater than the third one? Yes. Can be. I need cannot. What about letter B? 11 plus 11, 22. Greater than this one? Yes. Letter C. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 is greater than 8? Yes, can be. The smallest two sides is 6 and 10. Their sum is 16. Greater than 21? No. Then these lines, these numbers cannot be sides of triangle. For any triangle, we have inequality. If we have two sides, what is the possible values of the third side to can be side of triangle? For example, if we have two sides, 7 and 15, what is the possible value of the third side to be sides of triangle? This side must be greater than the difference and smaller than the sum. For example, x, the difference between them is 8 and their sum is 22. Then x included between 8 and 22. A, B, C, or D is greater than the difference and smaller than the sum. Two sides of triangle, 10 and 15. What must be true about the length of the third one? All of these less. Then, less than what? The sum or difference? Less than the sum. Then what is the sum of 10 and 15? Is 25. Then the condition, the third side must be less than the sum of the two numbers, less than 25. Which sides are parallel? We said B is the midpoint, 6 and 6. D is the midpoint, 8 and 8. Then BD is called what? Mid-segment and parallel to the third side and equal have it. He said now which parallel? Then number 1, BD parallel to AE. Yes, what else? Any mid-segment, other mid-segment? Yes. Yes. Parallel to what? Excellent. And we have the third one now. Yes. B is the midpoint of AC and D is the midpoint of CE. Solve for x. BD equals 5x plus 3, this one, and AE equals 4x plus 18. What's the relation between them? This line segment is called mid-segment. Have this one. This one equals have AE, or AE equals double BD. Double, it's better for solving equation without fractions. Then AE equals double BD. AE is 4x plus 18. and BD is 5x plus 3, but this is double distributive. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 3 is 6. Then 4x plus 18 as it is equal 10x plus 6. Collect x together and the number together. 10 minus 4 and 18 minus 6. It will be 6x equals 12 divided 6 divided 6, then x equals 2. Your homework, not all the chapter, 5b. By the way, this is 5b. We have already solved 5a also in Educate. Thank you.